Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abha Kumari. Today we will discuss the composition of function. Okay, earlier we have discussed the composition of function, the definition and also some problem. Today we will see some problem are very important for your examination point of view. Here in this question given is, let f be a mapping from R tends to R such that fx is equals to 8x cubed and g be a mapping from R tends to R such that gx equal to x to the power 1 by 3. Then find f naught g, that is composition of f over g, and g naught f, composition of g over x. Also so that f naught g not equals to g naught f. The question we have discussed was based on the set, but here we have to use this function to show the composition of function f and g. So let us do the solution. Here let x belongs in R. Why R? Because we are given here the R tends to R is a mapping, so we'll let x belongs to R. Then g naught f, x, that is composition of f over g is x, is what? G f of x. Fine. And g f of x is what? G f of x. F of x given here is 8x cubed. So what we will write here? 8x cubed. Okay. So we let this value as y equals to g of y, where y equal to what? 8x cubed. Okay. So let this one. So now g of y is what? The function of gx equal to x to the power 1 by 3. So if we are looking for the g of y, then g of y is y to the power 1 by 3. So we will write here y to the power 1 by 3. But what the value of y we have taken? The y is 8x cubed. So now 8x cubed whole to the power 1 by 3. So 8x cubed can be written as 2 x cubed whole to the power 1 by 3, and this is 2x whole cube to the power 1 by 3, right? Like this. So this is what? 2 into x, right? So again we have, so here we are getting the 2x, fine. So next we will find f naught gx. So this is what? F g of x, fine. So f, what about gx? So gx here is this one. So we'll put this value here as, so gx is x to the power 1 by 3. So f of y, so let this value as t, where t as x to the power 1 by 3. Now what about ft? If we are having fx equal to 8x cubed, then what about ft? Then ft is equal to 8t cubed. But now we will place the value of t, and t is what? 8x to the power 1 by 3. So here is x to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 3. That is equals to 8x. So here we see that while taking a composition of g over f, we are having the 2x, and the composition of f over g is 8x. Fine. So therefore, f naught g is not equals to g naught f. So this is very important in the examination, final exam. This question always asks, but not in this way, in some another way. Might be in the sets form, might be in the theorem form, or in problems. Okay, so it is very important. So let us see some another question. The second one question. Let the question here is. Let's take some question. So the question is, let f be a mapping from R tends to R such that fx is given as fx is equals to 3 minus x cube whole to the power 1 by 3. Fine. And so that f not f x is equal to x. So here the identity function is going on. Why? Because we have to map over f, that is the composition of f over f. So we have defined only one function, that is f mapping from r tends to r, and the function is of the form 3 minus x cube whole to the power 1 by 3. So let us solve this question here as. So here f not f x is equal to f of fx. You can write like this from the definition of composition of function. Now f, what is fx here as? 3 minus x cube whole to the power 1 by 3. Let's put this whole value as y, where y is what? 3 minus x cube whole to the power 1